Okay.
What do we call this? Healy.
So,
Healy.
We're gonna call Unity. Healy.
Healy Unity Experiment 100.
Here we go.
Or-
So take a look. We're working on activation. So Mary and I are sitting here. There's Mary. Hi, Mary.
We've got the Healy.
And we're sitting here talking about careers. We're talking about various things where we're creating consciousness and creating a collective energy and creating all kinds of fun things where we can bring ourselves to the table and really, gosh, I don't know, just be abundant, right? So I thought, well, while we're doing that, I'm going to run a jobs frequency program, and this is called activation. And you can see that I'm only at 5%. And so here it is, connected to Healy, over to Mary. Hi, Mary. And then Mary and I are unifying to the other side. There's no wires connected to us, but we're just connected via the field, right, and ourselves. And I wanted to see how far I could reduce the energy output from the Healy to where we'd still stay conductive. And as you saw, so here we are, through us, through her, through Healy, we were able to go down to 5% and still be conductive. Even at a low frequency, see below 500 hertz, there's 198.5, still white line, still conductive. Right? And then the other lead, of course, is connected to me. I can't quite turn the camera around to show you. Can't quite get it all the way around because I'm not breaking the chain. Now watch. Mary and I let go. Here's our connection. Now let's let go. And let's see. Look at how instant that is. How instant that is. Now we reconnect. You can see maybe, there you go, reconnected. And I can actually feel that tingle in my fingers.
Right.
You feel that?
What if we had a person between us?
What if we had another person in between us? Would we still be able to share these frequencies with them? So my whole point is that if you're sitting in a room or in the midst of another person and you're creating coherently, collectively, and you want to share perhaps that experience with one Healy, right? Now you can see this is a great test and it works great. Hopefully that sounds fun to you. It sounds great to me. How about you, Mary?
It's really fun.
Isn't this great? We just made this up. So enjoy your day, and I'll be sharing this with you guys. Much love. Bye.